Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning or good evening to everyone. Today I am going to discuss what are the reasons behind SOC4 Abend in mainframe. First of all, I have one test job in which I am using the main program, and in this I have one input file and output file. Both have LRECL 25, means output file has also 25 and input file has also 25 length. And what is the processing of this test job? I have one input file. In input file, this is employee name and this is employee ID and this is employee salary. So we are reading this input file into our main program, and in main program, from main program we are sending our and employee ID and employee salary to sub program, and in sub program we are computing, means we are increasing the salary of employee by 1000. Okay, and then we are passing back the employee salary to our main program, and then we are writing that into output file. Means if you see here, we have this employee name and this is our employee ID, and employee salary has been increased by 1000. Let's see main program. Like we have main program here, and in main program we have input file and output file, and input in file is refer with the infdd, and out file is refer with the outfdd name. And we have in rack for input file and out rack for output file, means which contain like employee name, employee ID, employee salary, and same in the output file. And we have the end of file switch variable for telling the program that we have read the file completely. And we have file status variable for input file and output file. And we have like initialize para. In initialize we are initializing the file status variable, and input end of file switch variable. And then in we are opening the in file and then output file. If file is not open, then we will receive the ws file status variable in, or ws file status out. And in read file we are reading the file up to the end of file switch. And like we have in file we are reading this, and at end we are passing the employee ID and employee salary to subprogram. Let's see the subprogram first. Subprogram, like I have one subprogram. In subprogram we are passing the employee ID and employee salary, and we are increasing the employee salary by 1000. And then we have the updated employee salary which have plus 1000, and then we are writing that to the output file. Means we are pass moving the salary ID and name into the output file variable, and then we are writing the outrack of the output file. And we will read this in input file till the end of file switch become y. Okay, and after that we are closing the input file and output file. If it is closed successfully, then we will receive nothing, and otherwise and otherwise we will receive the message like we have the like something is happen with the closing of the file, or like input file or output file. And like we have this input file, we have input file this is input file and this is output file. In input file you can see this salary, and in output file salary is increased by the 1000. Okay, let's come to the first point. Like if we have missing or incorrect dd statement or incorrect LRECL, then we will receive the SOC4 Abend. Like we have the SOC4 Abend here. And like I have given in my test job like this dd statement inf1, which is refer here into our main program with the inf. If it is not matching, then our job will be abandoned with the SOC4 abandoned. And like we have the file status for the input file is 35, and you will receive this kind of message like it is a protection exception. Actually SOC4 come due to the protection exception. Okay, and you can say SOC4 abandoned is a protection exception. So if you give the incorrect LRECL also, you will receive the SOC for a band also. Like you have here LRECL is 25. Okay, if you give here 26, then your job will definitely abandon with the SOC 4. Okay, and next point is like we are trying to refer record before file open. Like you have input file and output file, and you are opening here, and but you are passing the or you are initializing the in rack or out track of the input file or output file, so you will receive the soak for a band. Okay, and mismatch parameter list between calling program. Like in main program we are calling this sub program using the in employee id and employee salary. If you are not passing the employee salary in the sub program, then you will receive the soak for a band. And like stop run or go back use in this sort input procedure or output procedure, or you are writing like perform or go to outside of section from insert input procedure or output procedure. Like if you are going outside of this input procedure or output procedure, this is our output procedure. Okay, if you are going out of this, then you will definitely will receive the soak for a pen. Okay, like you are writing here in the perform here, like you are writing go to another para, some para. Okay, then you will receive the soak for a band. And like I have one here, like one point indexing or subscripting is outside of limit. And you have you will receive the 4038 band for below code execution. I have these variable ws count and ws table. And ws table is an array which have like occurs 5 times. And I am passing ws count to one value, and I am displaying this here. And then we are perform the in stream perform, we are giving here in stream perform up to the and 10 value. Okay, if like it is become true, it will not go into inside this perform variable. So it will write up to the 10, like it has written here up to 10. So you will receive the U4038 band, like it is a heap storage control band. But I didn't receive the soak for a band here. I don't know what's the information that came that bring this SOC4 event using the indexing or subscripting. But I when I am using this, I am receiving this U043 event only, like for U043 event. So if you know the region, like or you know the some code where I will receive the index so for a band for indexing or subscripting, then please write that program or something whatever you know in the comment box below. And like I have another point, like linkage section incorrectly placed or omitted. In this also I didn't receive the soak for a band. I didn't receive the software band. When I will place the linkage section somewhere else, how can the our program will be compile successfully? Okay, so like if I will omit this linkage section also, my program will not compile successfully. I will receive the return code 12 always if I will not give the linkage section, or I will place the linkage section at somewhere else. Okay, so I don't know how the SOC4 event come in this, like linkage section incorrectly placed, or but I don't know. I think we do not receive the SOC4 event for this. So please write the comment for this. Like if you know about the linkage section incorrectly placed or omitted, but I have not received the any event for this. And next is linkage section reference without coding using, means if I am not using here using clause also, and so if I have not given this also, so I am not receiving any SOC4 Abend or any Abend, so my program is compiling successfully. Okay. If you know anything else, like if you know any other region or any other point that bring the SOC4 event, please write that below into the comment box. And thank you guys, that's all from my side. Please like the video and subscribe the